Let's learn the alphabet by writing both uppercase and lowercase letters from A to Z.
A. B. C. D.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh.
E.
Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo.
F.
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
G. H.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo.
I.
Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo.
J.
Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue.
K.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue.
L.
Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo.
M.
Skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas
N.
2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling.
O.
Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo.
P.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
Q.
Lost my partner, what'll I do?
R.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo,
S.
skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip
T.
to my loo, my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner,
U.
love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to
V.
my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
W. X. Y. Z.
Good job! What do you see? Today's letter is W. First, write the uppercase W 3 times and read it out loud.
W. W. Uppercase W.
Good job! Now, write the lowercase w 3 times.
W. W. Lowercase w.
Ah! Good job! Find the letter W in the puzzle and color it with a yellow pencil.
That's right.
Found it! Found it!
That's right.
Found it!
That's right.
Great job! Shall we cut out the colored W with scissors?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
W.
Good job! What do you see?
Y, and Z. Now I
There are 3 colorful eggs. Let's see what's inside each egg. Let's check the orange egg first.
A, B, C,
Inside the orange egg is an uppercase W.
Q, R,
Now, let's check the pink egg.
W, X.
Inside the pink egg is a lowercase w. Finally, the blue egg contains yellow sand. Shall we make the letter W with the yellow sand? How?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M,
Uppercase W.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC.
Lowercase W. Uppercase W. Lowercase W.
Good job!
C, D, E,
Let's color the letter W with purple.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
W.
Great job!